Hi, I'm Guido the Guitar Pimp. Welcome to the channel. I've been looking at Fender, and Fender has this Tom Delonge special, and it's like $1,200, and I'm going, what? $1,200 for that? It's got like a single humbucker pickup. So I noticed they got this Squier Sonic. It's got a one humbucker too, so I said, why not? So what I did is I got one of these Squier Sonics and I decided to pimp it out. Or as we say, pimperoni, yeah. So what I did, okay, I put a boutique humbucker in there, okay, and I decided why not put a coil splitter in there too. So I did, put a coil splitter, okay, and if you look at the fret markers there, yeah, I got a mud flap girl in there, and I decided, I think I'll do something to that Squier headstock there, so I created a decal for it, okay? Yeah, that's what I did. There's decals, and look at those locking tuners and that low friction nut. And of course, got a pretty girl in the back. Gotta have that, right? Because after all, if you're gonna pimp it, you might as well do it right. So what I want you to do, watch the video, got a pretty girl showing you how I did this, and then at the end I'll show you how this baby sounds, so keep watching, okay?
Hi, I am Addison. This is an overview of the Squier Sonic Stratocaster HTH electric guitar. The strings were removed. The guitar was disassembled using a screwdriver, socket wrench, and a soldering iron. The fretboard was covered with painter tape. The neck was sanded and treated with 6 coats of true oil finish. Decals were applied to the body, pickguard, and headstock. Decals were treated with 5 coats of gloss crystal clear lacquer. The fret ends were filed. The frets were polished with steel wool. Fret marker stickers were applied to the fretboard. The low friction nut was installed. Locking tuners were installed. A 1/16" drill bit was used to make holes for the tuner securing screws. A replacement string tree was installed. A GFS humbucker and a Kwikplug harness were installed in the pickguard. The output jack was installed. The replacement bridge was installed. The strap locks were installed. The electronics were tested with an amplifier and a screwdriver. The pickguard was screwed into place. The neck was fastened to the body using 4 screws. The guitar was strung. The string height was set up along with the intonation. This is how the finished guitar looks.
I'm back. What I've done, I've tuned her up, hooked her up to my Fender amplifier. Now let's see how she sounds. First of all, here's the humbucker. Pretty full sound. Now let's do the coil splitter. Little bit different sound. Let's have a little bit of fun with this. I call this song Happy Birthday. She sounds pretty sweet. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, pepperoni!